let me ask this lady. Excuse me, miss. Sorry, excuse me. I think I'm lost. Do you know where Blueford Road is? Yeah, ma'am, you know where that is. So what you need for the when after you left this road, right? You need to go straight up there. So when you see a blue shop, turn that way, right? And then keep going straight, go around there, so go back up there, so come back down, go around there, so turn that way, go around that the road there, come back up this way, right? You're gonna see a purple shop. When you see a purple shop, turn that way, go straight up and keep going straight. Go straight up until you see a red shop. When you see a red shop, go around the shop, go that way, you know, go that way. Then you keep going straight. After you go straight, you need to come back that way, go round there, so, and then go back that way. And when you go back that way, come back round there, so. And after you go back round there, so, go up there, so. Keep going straight. You're gonna see a yellow shop. When you see a yellow shop, turn that way, go straight. There's a little corner there, so you need to turn that way. You see a little gully bit there, so. Alright, keep going straight. After you go straight, you need to turn that way. After you turn that way, you need to immediately turn that way. Go straight up and come back round, and then that's where you're there. Alright? Drive safe. Okay, thank you. I guess I'll try again next week.